Imagine you've been sent a document in another language, maybe French, Spanish, German, or even Hindi in this case, and you can't read a single word of it. But instead of copying it into Google Translate like this and trying to translate it into English, Microsoft Word can translate the entire document in seconds. So you go from this to this, and let me show you exactly how to do this in a few clicks. So I've got this document opened up here, which has been sent by one of my colleagues. It's in Hindi, and you can see it's got 15 pages. So there's a lot of content within it. Now, the normal procedure would be to go into Google Translate and possibly translate it all and then copy and paste this back into Word. However, don't do that. Do this instead. Open up your document. At the top in the ribbon, you got your ribbon here, you got your options here at the top. Go to from home, go to review. Then when you are in review, you will see the language option here. In the language option, go to translate, click on the down arrow, and you have two options appear. Translate selection, translate document. Click on translate document and then move over to the right side to this navigation page. Now, what this is asking you, it's got the document selection here, is saying it can create a translated copy of this document with the Microsoft Translator service, and that's what we're going to be using today. So it's auto detecting the language, which is great, and you want to translate it to English, but you can translate it into lots of other languages if English doesn't happen to be your spoken language. So you've got English, you've got lots of other languages, Hindi, you've got Urdu, you've got Arabic, German, French, all of them are in there. Now you change this option here from this checkbox so Word always translates to this specific language when you get a document sent to you or you open up a document in a different language. I'm going to leave this unchecked. I'm going to simply click on translate like this. Now it's translating, and there you go. This document has been translated. It's about AI for UK businesses, and you can see every word has been translated into English. Now what it also does at the bottom, you can see it's got the Hindi version still open, but what I've got now also is the English version as well. I hope this video has helped you. Please do like, subscribe and share.